Using time tracking is one of the most powerful ways to stay under budget. It might seem like just another task to add to your to-do list, but the truth is, when you measure time, you unlock opportunities to save both time and money. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use time tracking to stay under budget without the fluff. First, let's talk about why time tracking works. When you track your time, you can directly tie every minute spent to your project costs, which gives you a clear picture of where your budget is going. Without this data, it's easy to overspend, but when you track, you'll know exactly if you're on the right track. To start, pick a time tracking software. You've probably heard of the big names out there, but I've tested several options, and I'm recommending the software we'll be using today. It gives you an intuitive way to track your hours, and the best part is, you can try it out for free with a special link in the description below. Now let's dive into how to use time tracking to stay under budget. First, set clear project goals. If you don't know what your budget should be, time tracking won't be as effective. Create a project plan that includes key milestones and budget targets, and then assign realistic time estimates for each task. This will give you a roadmap. As you begin your project, start logging your hours. Whenever you start working on a task, start the timer in your time tracking software. Don't leave anything out, even the small tasks. The more detailed your logs, the better the data you'll have to analyze later. A helpful tip here is to categorize your time. Most time tracking software lets you tag tasks or projects. Label your tasks according to what they relate to: design, meetings, research, etc. This helps you spot trends, like spending too much time on one part of the project, which can lead to overspending. Next, review your progress weekly. Don't wait until the end of the project. If you're regularly checking in with your time tracking data, you'll notice if you're falling behind or exceeding your budget early enough to adjust. This might mean cutting down on non-essential tasks or reallocating time from one area to another. Another crucial part is understanding your hourly cost. Once you've got your total project hours, multiply it by your hourly rate to see if you're within budget. If not, identify where adjustments are needed. Time tracking software gives you those reports at a glance, saving you hours of manual calculations. By tracking your time, you can also set alarms or limits. For instance, if you're working on a project that has a hard deadline or tight budget, you can set the software to alert you when you're approaching your limit. This way, you'll always know where you stand in real time. Lastly, make sure to analyze your time data once the project is completed. How did you do? Did you stay under budget? If not, where did things go off track? This is valuable insight that will help you improve and adjust your approach for the next project. Key takeaway: time tracking isn't just about measuring hours. It's about keeping yourself on track to meet your budget goals. Set clear project goals, track your hours, analyze your data, and make adjustments as needed. By using time tracking effectively, you'll stay under budget and avoid those dreaded surprises. Before you go, remember that the software we used in this tutorial offers an exclusive free trial to my viewers. You can find the link below in the description, and I highly recommend you check it out to follow along and start saving time and money today. Thanks for watching.